Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 17. This is Section 3.4, Problem 17. It says the population of the world is 7.8 billion. Write this number in standard notation. So, for 7.8 billion, to write it as a regular number, you would do the 7.8 times a billion. So a billion has 9 zeros. So like that, 7.8 times 1 billion. So now to do a multiplication like this, what you really want to do is count the number of zeros and move your decimal place that many places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. So take the decimal where it is, move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can just double count to make sure. So it started here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, so 9 zeros, move it 9 places. If you want, you can put in commas starting from the right end. Every 3 you can put in a comma like that. So in standard notation, you'd have a 7, an 8, and then a lot of zeros. You'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. That would be 7.8 billion written in standard notation.